Yeah, so welcome again, guys. Another session. This time I'm not trading on my client's account. I'm not taking clients anymore for the moment. I will just share with you this account. This is my second account. This is not my first account. This is my second account. Because of the policies of IQ option, they will not let you share your real account with higher balance. So I couldn't share with you my first account because there is a little bit higher balance, and for the security measures, IQ option will not let you share your real account on YouTube. So I created this account just to share with you my trading sessions on IQ option and avoiding uh, trading on my client's account, because some of my clients found some difficulties with withdrawing their money. IQ option will give you real hard time to let you withdraw your balance from their platform. So this is why I created this account, and as always, I'm using only my I'm using the buy digital strategy as usual. Nothing magical, just the buy digital strategy. Yeah, and as you already know, you can learn the buy digital strategy from the course. In the description below, there is a link to our website, buydigital.com, the only place where you can purchase our course, Buy Digital. You can purchase it from buydigital.com. And yeah, you can learn the strategy from the course. You can practice on demo account. Just choose any platform that give you a free demo account, let you practice on their platform. Obviously you need the platform with many indicators, because in the buy digital strategy we need three or two indicators and one money management system. So in order to be able to use the buy digital strategy, yeah, as you can see, we are moving forward. Yeah, okay. I guess this one is up. It's okay. This one is going up. And for those who are interested in buying the course, please understand that there is nothing magical about the strategy. The strategy need a lot of practice. Give it some time. Practice on demo account. Don't trade with your real money. When you can trade with your real money, you can trade with your real money when you are 100% sure that you mastered the buy digital strategy, the advanced level of the buy digital strategy. In order to master the advanced level of the buy digital strategy, you will need to practice a lot. You need to practice and practice and practice. Don't think that there is any magic about the strategy. No, there is a lot of practice on the strategy. In order to master the strategy, I spent almost year and a half just practicing on demo account, but I simplified the strategy on the course so you can master it just in a few months or in a month or two. So I advise you to take your time, learn the strategy, follow the rules on the course, follow the course, and hopefully you will master the strategy. And with time, you can be able to start seeing real profit from the strategy. Yeah, $80. I will stop the vocal and I will keep trading on this session until perhaps I reach $600 profit or $500 profit. I'm using only USD as you can see because I like USD, and in OTC I like USD a lot. This is why, yes, this is why I'm using only one binary. So good luck, watch the full video. I will keep trading for you guys, but I will stop the vocals.